Hey, it's Cyrus. Welcome to this Energy Center Blossoming Sleep Meditation. This one's going to be short and sweet and guide you into a deep sleep, so go ahead and find a position that feels good to sleep in. Settle into that now, let yourself land, give yourself permission to let go of the outside world and anything you have to do or attend to, and simply let yourself rest. Notice how it feels to take a deep breath and exhale as if you have nothing to do but rest. Imagine all the energetic strands and happenstance of your day melting away, letting yourself let them go in this moment. Imagining anything you're hanging on to beginning to float away like a balloon, effortlessly letting it go. Feeling it fading into the distance with each rhythmic breath as it flows to you. Feel yourself being caught by the support underneath you as if you're letting go of your body and letting it be supported by the bed. Any obvious muscular tension, begin to simply let it melt on its own without even trying to let it melt. Almost as if the second your attention hits it, it begins to melt like butter in the sun. And move your attention like the smoothest flowing river as you begin to be aware of the spot between your eyebrows. And guide that river down effortlessly towards your nostrils, feeling the flow of breath for an effervescent moment. Notice your lips and your tongue and the sensations within the mouth. And guiding your attention down to the throat and the neck, down to the shoulders, upper arms, lower arms, hands, and fingers, and dropping the attention down to the toes, and feeling the river washing in reverse up to the soles of the feet. Noticing the tops of your feet and the ankles. Dropping thoughts and distractions, paying attention in detail to your lower legs, your knees, your upper legs, your pelvic floor, your glutes, your lower back, your middle back, your upper back, your chest, your stomach. And as you rest your attention at the stomach, imagine it like a drop of water dispersing through the entire body, washing out evenly in every direction, so that you begin to feel that effervescent buzz of life energy in your entire body, head to toe, effortlessly with the breath. With each breath, feel the heaviness and matter of your body melting away into a sense of pure vibration. Each breath easing you lighter and lighter into a state of pure vibration, almost as if you're floating effortlessly in your bed. Welcome and invite the pleasant peacefulness of this lightness, this vibration, this floating in your energy field, head to toe, and maybe even around you. And still letting go of thoughts and distractions and simply letting yourself be with the energy of this moment deeply. Bringing the attention gently to the first energy center at the base of the pelvic floor. Concentrating your attention there gently, effortlessly for a moment. And now imagine and feeling that energy center opening and softening into a sense of total groundedness, as if you're connected with the earth underneath you completely. And now raising the attention slightly upwards to the second energy center in the lower belly. Going gently and deeply with your attention into that energy at the lower belly. And now imagine and feel that energy at the lower belly blossoming and opening up into a life energy that cascades through your whole body, enlivening every cell with a pleasant, relaxing buzz. Raising the attention up smoothly to the next energy center at the solar plexus at the upper belly. Going deep into the energy at the upper belly. Imagine everything else fading into the background as you keep the raw, alive energy at the upper belly in the front and center of your awareness. And now gently breathe and flow and imagine that energy at the upper belly opening up and blossoming into a sense of quiet confidence and freedom, as if the front of your body is open to face and receive the world. Gently moving up to the heart center with the attention, going deeply into the energy at the heart with a sense of courageous dedication. Stay loyal and true to the heart with your attention without analyzing it, just feeling it with no judgment. And now breathe and flow and allow the energy at the heart to blossom and open gently and slowly at its own pace, as if the possibility of a sense of unconditional acceptance and love is opening up at the heart. allow the attention to rise to the center of the neck. Notice what you notice, but stay loyal to the sensations without any thinking. Simply dive deeper into the energy at that spot. And imagine and feel the energy at the center of the neck opening, softening, becoming totally balanced, as if a sense of expression and truth is effortlessly flowing from your being at this spot. And travel up intuitively to the spot between your eyebrows. And dive into the intuitive energy you sense at this spot. And allow any blocks or tension to melt and feel that spot opening into a vast open space. As if your sense of intuition, wisdom, and vision is opening up beyond your previous comprehension. And feel the attention elevating almost as if it has a life of its own now, as the attention rises to the spot at the top of the head. Notice the energy buzzing alive at the crown. And rest your focus there for a moment with your total and complete attention. And now envision and feel your crown opening up and blooming like a lotus flower. Feeling the healing and elevated energy of the entire universe flowing through the crown as you breathe. And be aware of all the energy centers in an even, open, and effortless way. The soothing and relaxing sense of your energy, softer and more open. And allow that sense of openness that you've given yourself to deepen your relaxation even further. As you simply feel yourself easing into this moment, reveling in all the details of the sensations of aliveness that course gently through your energy body, head to toe. And anything you notice arise, simply let it go and feel it dropping back into this ocean of energy as it soothes you effortlessly to sleep. Letting go of whatever arises and dropping deeper into that ocean of energy, finding that effortless rhythm. I invite you to repeat this track regularly if it served you well, and I wish you a deep and restful sleep and an amazing day tomorrow.